5 squared means 5 multiplied by 5, and 5 times 5 gives us 25. Negative 5 squared, we leave the negative outside. We do 5 squared, we know means 5 multiplied by 5. 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times negative 1 gives you negative 25. Negative 5 in brackets squared means negative 5 multiplied by negative 5. We know a negative times negative gives us a positive outcome, so negative 5 times negative 5 gives us positive 25. 5 to the power negative 2. If you see a negative power, we know a negative power means the reciprocal. In other words, to turn it upside down. If it's not already a fraction to start with, we know 5 is the same as 5 with 1. Hence, turning it upside down, whatever's on the top will go to the bottom, and vice versa, the bottom will go to the top. Hence, I'm going to rewrite my fraction as being 1 over, 5 is now on the bottom, and now I always write the power positive, so 1 over 5 squared. And I know 5 squared means 5 multiplied by itself, and 5 times 5 gives us 25. Hence, 5 to the power negative 2 is 1 over 25.